Hi everyone! Can you believe it's been a year since I started these videos? When I started, I just basically wanted a place to save all the recipes that I worked on over all these years. It was a fun experiment to begin with. Over the past year, I've sort of realized how I should be shooting my videos, how I should be making my videos. Like the previous video that I had with you all in January, I still hadn't mastered of how exactly to shoot videos. Now I figured out exactly what needs to be done to get the best videos. I'm thanking all of you who have sent photos after you have followed my recipes. It really means a lot. And I'm so glad everybody's been part of the experimentation process over all these months. Okay, so the reason why I'm laughing right now is I'm being entertained by two cats. I'm not joking. They're wondering, what am I doing? Why am I showing my face? And talking like this at the same time. So, as always, like, share and subscribe my videos. And yes, please hit the bell icon for notification.
Corn and aloo cutlet. Pressure cook 4 potatoes in a pressure cooker. While it is cooking, clean and dry 1 cup of frozen corn. In a mixing bowl, add the dried frozen corn. Add half a cup fresh coriander. Add 1/4 cup cut pudina or mint. Add 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Add half a teaspoon chili powder. Add half a teaspoon coriander seeds powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Add half a teaspoon of roasted ajwain or caraway seeds. Add half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix well using a spatula. Add 10 to 15 broken cashews and mix. Next, peel the potatoes and mash them fine. Mix the mashed potatoes and the corn mixture. Add salt per taste and mix. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix well. Cover your hands with corn flour and shape the cutlets round and then flatten on a plate. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and add 2 cutlets. It takes around 10 minutes to cook them on both sides till it turns golden brown. The dish is now ready to serve. I had it with Maggie's hot and sweet ketchup. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification.